Hey riders, welcome to our channel. Today, we're counting down the 9 best cruiser motorcycles perfect for first-time buyers. Get ready for a thrilling ride as we dive into each bike's specs, unique story, and yes, the shocking truth behind their price tags. Stick around because the number 1 pick might just change the way you see the open road. Number 9. Kawasaki Eliminator ABS. In the quiet dusk of a suburban evening, the Kawasaki Eliminator ABS whispers promises of power and presence, inviting riders to experience the bold spirit of classic American cruising. With a 651cc V-twin engine that delivers a generous 40 horsepower and a 3.4-gallon fuel tank, this bike is engineered for a confident ride on long, winding roads. Its low-slung design and ABS braking system provide assurance in urban traffic, while the smooth throttle response and crisp gear shifts create a refined riding experience. The Eliminator's dual-tone paint and chrome accents evoke an era of raw, unfiltered freedom, making it a visual standout among cruisers. Yet, despite these attractive qualities, the price tag leaves a bitter taste. For first-time buyers, the cost feels disproportionate when compared to its performance and features, marking it as one of the overpriced motorcycles with the worst deals right now. This discrepancy stems from its premium branding rather than innovation, causing hesitation among budget-conscious enthusiasts. Ideal for riders seeking a blend of nostalgia and modern safety, this machine is suited for those who desire a robust, imposing presence on the road, even if the financial investment may seem steep. While its engine performance and aesthetic appeal deliver an enthralling experience, prospective buyers should weigh the allure against the reality of an overvalued market price. Ultimately, the Eliminator offers an intriguing ride that is as compelling as it is cautionary, inviting decisive thought on ownership. A remarkable journey. Number 8. CFMoto 450 CLC. On a crisp morning along a scenic coastal road, the CFMoto 450 CLC emerges as an unexpected gem for new riders, blending modern engineering with classic cruiser charm. Powered by a 449cc liquid-cooled engine, delivering 40 horsepower, it promises spirited acceleration and smooth handling on twisty lanes. Its agile frame, complemented by a sleek fuel-efficient design and a 3.1-gallon tank, ensures that urban commutes and weekend getaways are equally exciting. The bike's digital instrumentation and integrated ABS system provide a perfect balance of technology and safety, making each journey both thrilling and secure. Its contemporary aesthetics, marked by sharp lines and bold color schemes, stand out in the crowded cruiser market. However, despite its innovative approach, the CFMoto 450 CLC suffers from an unjustified price premium that leaves potential buyers questioning its value. The cost, inflated by brand positioning rather than substantial performance enhancements, places it among the overpriced motorcycles with the worst deals right now. Tailored for riders who crave a mix of modernity and tradition, this cruiser invites you to experience a fresh take on classic riding. While its performance and style deliver an engaging experience, the steep pricing undermines its overall appeal. Prospective owners should consider the allure of its design against the reality of its high market cost. Ultimately, the 450 CLC offers an exciting ride with a modern twist, though its price may temper the thrill. Unleash your inner adventurer. Experience pure innovation that inspires every bold journey. Number 7. QJMotor SRV300. As twilight descends over a bustling cityscape, the QJMotor SRV300 makes its mark with a blend of urban agility and classic cruiser spirit. Equipped with a 296cc single-cylinder engine that delivers a lively 30 horsepower and a compact 3.5-gallon fuel tank, this bike is designed for nimble maneuvers and efficient city cruising. Its streamlined frame and modern suspension work in harmony to provide a smooth ride through congested streets and unexpected city corners. With an emphasis on user-friendly controls and a lightweight chassis, the SRV300 ensures that new riders feel confident from the first twist of the throttle. The bike's minimalistic design, accented by contemporary LED lighting and subtle chrome details, adds a touch of sophistication to its approachable character. However, the SRV300's price remains a sticking point, with costs inflated beyond its feature set, rendering it one of the overpriced motorcycles with the worst deals right now. This pricing issue, driven by market positioning rather than genuine performance upgrades, leaves many potential riders reconsidering its value. Perfect for urban explorers and those just starting their journey in motorcycling, the SRV300 promises excitement in every ride. Yet its steep price tag should be carefully weighed against its modest power. In the end, this motorcycle offers a refreshing, agile experience in cityscapes. Dare to embrace its charm. Embrace the vibrant city energy as you discover freedom and adventure on every urban road. Live your urban dream today. Number 6. Honda Shadow Phantom ABS. Under a starry night on an open highway, the Honda Shadow Phantom ABS roars to life, embodying timeless elegance and modern performance. Powered by a 745cc V-twin engine that produces a smooth 40 horsepower, this cruiser blends power with poise. Its 3.9-gallon fuel tank and refined suspension system promise long journeys with unmatched comfort. The Phantom's classic blacked-out design, accented by subtle chrome, delivers an aura of mystery and sophistication, instantly connecting with riders who cherish both heritage and innovation. Its advanced ABS ensures safety without compromising the soulful rumble that defines its character. Despite these appealing features, the Shadow Phantom is burdened by a steep price point that overshadows its value, marking it as one of the overpriced motorcycles with the worst deals right now. This high cost, driven more by its iconic status than by technological breakthroughs, challenges first-time buyers to weigh legacy against affordability. Perfect for those who dream of long, reflective rides under moonlight and value a blend of tradition and modern security. This bike invites riders to explore endless horizons. Its balance of power, design, and safety creates an irresistible allure. Yet, the financial leap required might deter those seeking prudent investments. Ultimately, the Phantom promises an unforgettable ride that stirs the soul. Ignite your passion and embrace the journey. Feel the heartbeat of the road and let every mile remind you why riding transforms life beyond all expectations. Number 5. Yamaha V Star 250. On a sunlit afternoon along a winding country road, the Yamaha V Star 250 exudes a charm that is both nostalgic and refreshingly modern. Powered by a 249cc V-twin engine that offers around 16 horsepower, this lightweight cruiser is perfect for smooth, relaxed rides. Its modest fuel tank of 2.5 gallons and economical design make it ideal for city commuting and weekend escapes alike. The V-Star's minimalist styling, highlighted by its classic paint scheme and subtle chrome touches, creates an inviting atmosphere for riders seeking simplicity without sacrificing performance. Its low seat height and easy maneuverability ensure that new riders can confidently navigate urban traffic and open roads with equal ease. However, despite its approachable design and reliable performance, the Yamaha V Star 250 is hampered by a surprisingly high price, positioning it among the overpriced motorcycles with the worst deals right now. The premium cost seems driven by brand legacy rather than innovative features, casting a shadow over its otherwise commendable qualities. Designed for those who value a blend of retro aesthetics and modern efficiency, this cruiser promises an enjoyable ride while keeping the spirit of classic touring alive. Its blend of practicality and style makes it a worthy contender in the entry-level segment. Yet the steep market price demands careful consideration. In the end, the V Star 250 is a machine that beckons riders to explore the open road with confidence. Number 4. Royal Enfield Meteor 350. In the early glow of dawn on a quiet country lane, the Royal Enfield Meteor 350 captivates with its blend of heritage and contemporary appeal. Powered by a 349cc single-cylinder engine that produces about 20 horsepower, this cruiser offers a balanced mix of power and efficiency. Its 4-gallon fuel tank and comfortable seating position make it an excellent choice for both daily commutes and leisurely rides. The Meteor's retro styling, featuring a distinctive speedometer and classic color palette, invokes a sense of timeless adventure. resonating with riders who appreciate a storied past. Modern amenities like its ABS system and digital display enhance safety and convenience without detracting from its vintage charm. However, despite its rich character and dependable performance, the Meteor 350 is not immune to a steep pricing strategy that overshadows its true value, placing it among the overpriced motorcycles with the worst deals right now. The elevated cost, influenced by brand heritage rather than substantial technological upgrades, may give first-time buyers pause. This motorcycle is best suited for those who cherish classic design blended with modern reliability, inviting riders to relive the golden era of motorcycling. While its performance and nostalgic appeal deliver a satisfying ride, the high market price calls for a cautious evaluation. Ultimately, the Meteor 350 stands as a symbol of enduring legacy and style, inviting adventurers to experience the open road. Embark on your unforgettable, timeless riding adventure. Number 3. Honda Rebel 300. In the soft glow of a new morning, the Honda Rebel 300 emerges as a beacon of freedom for the aspiring rider. Its 286cc single-cylinder engine produces a modest yet responsive power, ideal for navigating both busy urban streets and scenic country roads. With a fuel tank capacity of approximately 3 gallons, the Rebel 300 offers a balance of efficiency and ease, ensuring that every ride feels both manageable and exhilarating. The minimalist design, characterized by its low seat height and stripped-down styling, creates an inviting canvas that resonates with riders seeking simplicity and character. Enhanced by modern features such as ABS for reliable braking, this bike marries classic design with contemporary safety standards. However, despite its many strengths, the Rebel 300 falls short in the pricing department, being marked by a cost that overshadows its value, thereby placing it among the overpriced motorcycles with the worst deals right now. This disconnect between performance and price is a cautionary note for budget-minded newcomers, perfectly suited for those who crave an accessible, stylish entry into motorcycling. The Rebel 300 inspires confidence without overwhelming the rider. Its blend of agility and understated charm creates an experience that is both approachable and liberating. Ultimately, the Rebel 300 beckons with the promise of unbridled adventure and personal expression, inviting you to seize the road and write your own journey. Ride boldly, embrace true freedom, and ignite your burning passion. Number 2. Honda Rebel 500 ABS. At the break of dawn on an open highway, the Honda Rebel 500 ABS makes a bold statement, merging dynamic performance with accessible style for first-time buyers. Its 471cc parallel twin engine churns out an impressive 46 horsepower, delivering robust power that remains smooth and manageable. Coupled with a 3-gallon fuel tank, this cruiser promises extended rides with minimal stops. The Rebel 500's contemporary design, featuring sharp lines and an eye-catching finish, reflects modern aesthetics while honoring its heritage roots. Enhanced with advanced ABS braking and refined suspension, it offers both safety and comfort, ensuring that every journey is as exhilarating as it is secure. However, despite its well-balanced performance and striking design, the Rebel 500 is marred by a high price point that detracts from its overall value, categorizing it among the overpriced motorcycles with the worst deals right now. This inflated cost, influenced more by market hype than by substantive upgrades, may cause hesitation among prudent newcomers. Ideal for riders seeking a blend of spirited power and urban versatility, the Rebel 500 invites you to explore both city streets and open highways with confidence. Its performance, style, and modern safety features combine to create a compelling riding experience. Yet the premium price calls for a careful assessment of its true worth. Ultimately, the Rebel 500 ABS stands as a testament to innovation and passion on two wheels, beckoning you to embrace the ride. Number 1. Kawasaki Vulcan S ABS. At the zenith of our countdown, the Kawasaki Vulcan S ABS stands as the ultimate cruiser for first-time buyers, a machine that redefines the joy of the ride. Beneath its modern, muscular frame, lies a 649cc parallel twin engine that produces an exhilarating 48 horsepower, blending raw power with precision handling. Its 3.7-gallon fuel tank ensures longer adventures, while the advanced ABS and smooth suspension guarantee safety and control in every twist and turn. The Vulcan S's contemporary design, characterized by a customizable seat and aggressive styling cues, creates a dynamic connection between rider and road, evoking both confidence and freedom. This bike's intuitive ergonomics and responsive controls invite a seamless riding experience that feels both empowering and liberating. Yet, despite its stellar performance and cutting-edge features, its price is a significant drawback, marked by an inflated cost that seems more a product of marketing bravado than genuine innovation. It is deemed one of the overpriced motorcycles, with the worst deals right now. This high price challenges even the most enthusiastic newcomers to balance dream and budget. Perfect for riders who demand performance without compromise, the Vulcan S offers an unrivaled blend of style and substance. Its compelling character and advanced technology combine to create an experience that is nothing short of transformative. Embrace the thrill and let the open road become your canvas. Step into greatness and ride towards a future filled with freedom. Thanks for riding along with us. If you enjoyed the countdown, hit that like button, subscribe, and let us know in the comments which bike caught your eye. Remember, every journey begins with a single ride, so dare to take the leap. Until next time, keep the spirit of adventure alive and ride safe.